We all want that flawless morning glow, but instead, most of us end up living in this reality. Hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars tied up in half-empty jars of luxury skincare that promised results but delivered very little. The chemistry required for a world-class night cream exists inside a standard kitchen. You can assemble a formula yourself using concentrated ingredients that often outperform the products found behind department store glass. Think about the toll your current routine takes. You buy a highly marketed cream, hoping to clear a breakout or soothe dry patches, only to find your skin inflamed a week later. You discard it, buy the next heavily advertised jar, and repeat the cycle. It is exhausting, and it drains your savings. Many commercial products prioritize temporary surface relief. This design leaves the underlying dryness unaddressed, which often leads users back to the store for a replacement jar the following month. To understand why this happens, we have to look past the beautiful packaging and examine what is actually inside that standard $50 cream. This pie chart represents the exact breakdown of a standard luxury face cream. Up to 80% of that jar is nothing but plain water and cheap chemical preservatives. That leaves a microscopic sliver for the actual vitamins and peptides they advertise on the box. Industrial stabilizers are required to keep that water-heavy formula from growing mold on a warehouse shelf for years. These same chemicals can degrade your natural skin barrier over time, creating a state of chronic dryness. Once you realize that you are paying premium prices for scented water that can damage your skin, walking away from the beauty aisle becomes remarkably easy. You can ditch the heavy water base entirely and focus strictly on pure, concentrated elements. Healing your skin requires cutting out mass-market fillers completely. When you take absolute control over the ingredient ratios, you stop reacting to mystery chemicals and start feeding your skin exactly what it needs to repair itself overnight. So let's build a proper formula. We are turning your kitchen into a controlled environment where we prioritize active compounds over useless volume. Every effective cream requires a foundational carrier. Instead of water, we use pure jojoba oil as our base. This diagram shows a cross-section of your skin layers. The molecular structure of jojoba closely mirrors human sebum. As you can see, the smaller natural oil molecules slip right through the lipid barrier, while larger, synthetic lab-made molecules literally bounce off the surface, sitting on top of your face like a grease slick. Because our base oil easily penetrates the barrier, it acts as a delivery vehicle. We then add our second active ingredient, pure rosehip seed oil, which rides that carrier deep into the epidermis to trigger cellular repair and smooth out fine lines. Finally, we fold in raw, unrefined shea butter. This acts as our binding agent. It creates a breathable seal over the skin, locking the hydration and active vitamins into the deeper layers for the full 8 hours you sleep. This highly specific 3-ingredient combination works because it supports human biology. It recognizes your skin's natural structure and works with it, rather than overwhelming your face with foreign synthetic compounds. But sourcing these pure ingredients is only half the process. There is a specific trap in the preparation phase where many people fail on their first try. This graphic tracks what happens to the molecular structure of cold-pressed oils when exposed to direct heat. To blend the shea butter and oils, you have to warm them. But if that temperature line rises past 115 degrees Fahrenheit, the heat violently breaks apart the antioxidant bonds. You immediately destroy the active properties, turning a healing cream into inert grease. You must use a gentle double boiler method on low heat. And because we are leaving out those toxic commercial preservatives, storage is strictly non-negotiable. Keep your finished cream in a dark glass jar, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its full potency for up to 6 months. Even if you mix the formula perfectly and store it correctly, the cream will still underperform if you skip one vital step right before you put it on your face. With DIY skincare, mastering the environmental variables, managing your heat, and knowing exactly how to prep your skin is just as critical as buying high-quality oils. Here is the prep step most people miss. You must apply this cream to damp skin, not soaking wet, but freshly misted with water or a pure floral hydrosol. That moisture creates a conduit for the cream. It allows the dense lipids to sink deeper into the porous layers of the skin, increasing the absorption and saturation levels significantly compared to applying it to a dry surface. When you follow these steps, the morning after night 1 is striking. You will wake up without that tight, dry feeling. Your skin will feel deeply hydrated and incredibly soft to the touch. By the end of week 1, the concentrated vitamins begin correcting uneven skin tone and reducing redness. By the end of month 1, the continuous cellular repair delivers visible smoothing of fine lines and a robust, healthy skin barrier. Exercising a little patience and relying on biological science easily outpaces the false promises of $50 department store products. Crafting your own night cream is an act of reclaiming power. You are stepping out of a system that often prioritizes shelf life over your skin's health. By abandoning products that are every face is different, and this base formula is highly adaptable. Drop your specific skin type and challenges down in the comments below, and I will reply with the exact adjustments you need to make this recipe work perfectly for you. True skincare transformation is never bought in a department store. It is engineered through absolute control over what touches your skin.